Hey friends, I'm Carlos from Mario Buen. Today, I'm going to show you how to display the Instagram feed using the free version of Elementos and in Hobby for Elementor, okay? You can find it in the repository. I will also leave a link in the description with these two plugins. What we are going to do is get the Instagram feed to be displayed on our website, well before getting into what the tutorial is. As always, I would appreciate it if you like the video you are going to see below, or the content I make, you would give it to online. You will subscribe to the channel, activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos, and see if you have doubts or questions. Leave them in the comments. Well, let's go. And we start from the base, that we already have this plugin installed. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get a little assistant. Okay, the wizard is this, and the first thing we are going to select is the layout of our Instagram feed. We have these four above that are free, and the rest that we can use with the paid version. So for example, I'm going to select the grid network. Okay, we give it to the next one. Here he gives us a preview of what our feed will look like. We give it to next, and we are going to give permissions for the plugin to connect with ours. With our Instagram profile, we must be logged in, okay? Then we give you connect, and here you will ask us for permission to connect with our Instagram page. Okay, so now it will load us into our feed, and what we should name the feed. For example, this is my feed. Well, I'm going to put the dogs that have passed through my house. Okay, and we keep it. Okay, now we would have this whole process done. Now the only thing we would be missing would be to go to any page where we can work with Elementor, for example, this one. And here we are going to look for a widget called, let's see, I'm going to delete this because Instagram is not worth it either. Okay, it'll be this one here, and we'll insert it. First, we are going to select the feed that we have defined, and here all the images will be loaded. Okay, so here in consultation, we are going to tell you for the tablet PC version how many posts we want to be shown, and then we can also do it for the mobile version that we will define down here. Okay, you see here we have defined 6. If we wanted more, then it will be, you can tell me, for example, 10, and that by the end of, okay, 10 images from the feed would already appear. Here in the layout, we can tell you that the effect is a flip box or burly type. Okay, this would be kind of burly, the size of the images. And then another interesting thing is here when clicking. We can tell you that the image opens in a pop-up in a live box, okay? Or that it links to a 2LA. That is, it is a link to the Instagram post. Okay, I'm going to put this on PC, that clarifies me better. Okay, and here we can say whether we want it to open in the same window or not in a different window. So here. Also in the header box, we can tell you to show us the avatar, our avatar. Okay, we can tell you to show us bio information. But this is a version. That is, here you have to try it for 14 days. Then this version is paid. Okay? We can tell you to show us your username, and we can add a button to follow us. Okay? And here we can change the text, follow me in. Instagram is okay. And then from the styles, well, if we want, we can customize it here. We can define when we put on some images. We can define that they show us the date, but it is also a 13 or 14-day trial option. Okay, all these are test options. And then in the footer, we can also tell you to show us a button so that they can follow us too. Okay, follow me. On Instagram, and just like with the other button, if we didn't go to the styles later, we can customize the buttons. Okay, so I would now update, and if I visit my page, we would see our Instagram feed loaded. Okay, I'll tell you, I'll leave you the link to the plugin, the description of the video. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it and it helped you. Keep it up. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos, doubts and questions in the no comments. See you in future videos. See you later.